Yeah, I feel like the way that it was structured made it pleasant and easy to grasp. Absolutely. I think that no driver should be without this guide. I mean, everybody has car insurance. If you have a car, you have to. And I think that if you're going to spend so much money on something like car insurance, you should know how to use it when you actually need it. Definitely beneficial. I would say just go for it. It's very useful. If anybody is going to be in a car, they're going to get in an accident at some point in their life. If it's me, I've been in more than one, but I don't know. I just wish that I would have had this guide before when I'd had these accidents that I've been in. And I think that if you're going to talk to your car insurance company, it's important to know what to say, what not to say, and how you're supposed to proceed. It definitely feels empowering. I'm really glad I discovered it.